Hello, namaste. Good morning, everyone. And today I'm going to teach you the meaning of Kesar. And this meaning will help you a lot to improve your English. So let's practice with me. I'm writing and you also write with me. I means mamaile. We means hamile. You means timile. He means usle. She means তিনি তিনলে. It means you asle. They means उनी हरूले. Me means मलाई. Us means हामीलाई. You means तिमीलाई. He means उसलाई. Her means तिनलाई. It means यसलाई. They means उनीहरूलाई. My means मेरो. Our means हाम्रो. Your means तिम्रो. His means उसको. Her means तिनको. Its means यसको. Their means उनीहरूको. Mine means मेरै. Ours means हाम्रै. Yours means तिम्रै. His means उसकै. Hers means तिनकै. Its means यसकै. Theirs means उनीहरूकै. Myself means म आफै. Ourselves means हामीहरू आफै. Yourself means तिमी आफै. Himself means ऊ आफै. Herself means তিনি আফয়. Itself means you আফয়. Themselves means उनीहरू आफय. Okay, my dear students, today I have taught you the meaning of Kesar. So this meaning will help you a lot in improving your English. So write in your copy and learn. Thank you. Have a nice day.